Welcome. We are here to assist with your buying and selling needs. If you have questions or would like to schedule a personal tour, please give us a call today at 706-799-0873. The Rosemont plan built by Pierwood Constructions is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home in the Columbia County School District. Corner lot provides a private location with great outdoor space. Backs up to greenbelt. Open floor plan with fireplace. Kitchen island with breakfast bar. Granite countertops and tiled backsplash. Stainless steel appliances. Separate laundry room. Large master bedroom and bath with separate tub and oversized shower. Covered patio. Sprinklers. Fenced. Side entry garage. Radiant barrier roofing and superb insulation designed to provide reduced energy costs.